ask the relevant institutions to work on it, there must be persons who are buying and supplying it in urban areas like Kapsawar, Iten, Eldoret, Kapsabet. So the notion that we always have that the drugs that we have are transited from other countries, especially cannabis sativa, may actually be debunked if we look at these areas where insecurity is very high. Inside there, they are planting these, and I dare say that it includes my ward in Embobut, you know, because of those insecurity areas, again, they plant those, and I saw my chief also again from Embobut with the police officers trying to approach the same plants. And you know, if you want to know that they take it is extremely important to these criminals, as soon as the chief did that in Mokoro location, they went to our farm and slashed all our mangoes that she had planted over a long period of time. And I've told the chief to continue. We will see how to support her, you know, to compensate the suffering they are going through. But we must continue this exercise. And we'll only achieve it if the lowest unit is motivated and ready to do the job, and they receive the highest support from the national level. Sadly, we also have collaboration from the police officer, from some chiefs, from, you know, government officials. And that was the case in Kitale. When we went to Kitale 2 days ago, we established that there is a lot of incestuous relationship between government officials and these drug cartels. So we have to work. We are going to sack people. We have started sacking them, and they will go to court. Any chief, any police officer, any OCS whose jurisdiction is a drug haven will be dealt with according to the law. They will not be transferred. They will be removed from service. Those who are committing these acts will also be prosecuted accordingly. Therefore, I'm very happy with this renewed energy, our plan is to ensure that there is enhanced intelligence-led enforcement that is targeting particular areas. And we have also established, thanks to Jukwa Usalama, that drugs are more prevalent around colleges and universities. So areas that have, we have colleges and universities will now be our areas of focus, and we must work together to make sure that we deal with towns like, as I said, towns like all the county headquarters. If you go to Kitale, for example, they may not have a university, but they have Kitale Polytechnic with 16,000 students, you know, and then other colleges around there. Eldoret is an area of new target because of the enhanced number of students there. Kisumu, of course, Nairobi, Mombasa, and other towns become, they are targeted, especially because young people around there. And this is something we must do together for the sake of our children and for the sake of our future. Secondly, on community engagement and administration, our administrative structures are the bedrock of our government. Our national government administration officers work closely with the people and understand the local dynamics of substance abuse. I'm happy to know that the policy reinforces their role in public awareness campaigns, community-based prevention initiatives, and identification of at-risk individuals and areas. We will empower our administrators with the necessary training and resources to lead community dialogue, establish local multi-sectoral committees, and engage stakeholders in implementation of various interventions in the community. In fact, we will be rewarding administrators who do a good job and officers, either with promotions or state recognition, because this is a very important exercise that must be done across the country. Thirdly, on border security and control, Kenya's strategic geographical location makes us vulnerable to the transit of illicit drugs. Our ministry will strengthen border controls, enhance surveillance of our ports of entry, and invest in advanced detection technologies to intercept drugs and precursor chemicals. We will continue to collaborate with regional and international partners to combat transnational organized crime networks involved in drug trafficking, and recognizing that this is a global fight that requires global solidarity. You know that in the operations that we are doing in Marsabit, we have netted a lot of drugs, heroin, cocaine, cannabis sativa, and, you know, of course, human trafficking. The operation Malisa Walivo also has